How to change name on Steam account. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. Make sure you have already logged into your Steam account. Now, at the top right, you will find your username. Click on it. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and click on this option of View My Profile. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here, you will see this option of Edit Profile. Go ahead and click on it. Now over here, you're gonna find different options. Make sure you have selected General. Likewise, under General section, you will find the option of Profile Name as well as Real Name. You are able to change any of these names. Go ahead and click on the name that you want to change. Just remove it and then type in new name for your Steam account. After you type in, scroll all the way down. You will see this option of Save. Click on it. With that, your Steam account name will be updated. Well, this is how you can easily change Steam account name. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.